Okay, hi, so it's Julien Barker from South Street Chiropractic, clearly just before Christmas. I'm here with Becky, who's one of our team members today. We're going to run through the basic scan, and Becky's got some pelvic issues, so we're going to run through some more of those checks and see what we find as well. So let's get stuck in, shall we? So if you climb up and lie down on your front, Becky. Fantastic. We will get stuck in. This is actually Becky's fourth adjustment. And what was originally a quarter an inch short on the right leg, that's definitely calming down now. I'd mark that down. It's a few mil, so I tend to call that 0.15 inches, so a couple of mil. Good, there we go. Just get that going there. Okay, so good, so just checking the medial lateral tibia, not really getting anything. Let's go straight to the left AS, and that is an immediate effect. Just for the camera there, if I actually just push shoving backside on the left side there, Becky, if I just reverse that, you should be able to see that that actually creates a big leg length, and if we do it the other way around, then levels things up. Lovely, good. So, left AS ilium. And very important just to hold the pause there, just to make sure that shock wave stimulates as many mechanoreceptors as it possibly can. Good. Okay. Squeeze your knees together and let go. Yeah, that's good. So right hand up behind your back. Good. Swap your hands around. Okay, both hands up behind your back together. And we've got a very clear L4 on the left arm, back arms up, back down by your side. And come across, it's fine. L4. Anterior superior line of drive onto the inferior articular process. Setting 4, which is 40 pounds per square inch. Good. Okay, let's just do left hand behind your back again, Becky. Just check that. Yeah, good. And back down by side. Right hand up by your face. Big deep breath in and out. No change there at all. Left hand up as well. Good. Both back down by side. So turn your head to the right. There we go, head back into the centre. T6 on the left side. 3, 4, 5. Becky was just telling me she'd been aware of her shoulders after a previous adjustment, and T6 very much affects lat dorsi, so I'm not at all surprised. And T6, and then we come across onto the rib on the opposite side. Okay, just turn your head to the right again. That's lovely, good. Lift the right shoulder up off the couch and back down. Shrug both shoulders up to your ears and back down. And squeeze the right elbow flat against your side and let go. Definitely picked up a T1 on the left there. Squeeze the left elbow into your side and let go. And just squeeze the right elbow in and just hold it. You think there's something going on there, yeah, and just let go. Yeah, so we've got a right medial scapula as well. So shrug your shoulders up and roll them back, up and roll them down. And head back into the centre. Okay, so just adjust the T1 left. To call it T1, but effectively it's a T1 left rotation, posterior rotation. Anterior superior, slightly medial, come around to do the right shoulder and get onto the wing of the scapula, the ala. And just run through this sequence. And then into the radius and the lunate. There we go. Good. Lift up your head and back down. Okay. Tuck your chin down to your chest. Back to centre. Immediate lengthening of the left leg there as soon as Becky tucks the chin down there, which means we're doing a C1 right lateral. Down to setting 1 for this. It's tucked up behind the ear. Yeah, the actual, if you follow the face mask, kind of make it easier at the moment. You just follow that line down there, find the atlas. 2 pounds of pressure, just holding it there, and we deliver that thrust. And on setting 1, that's actually £10 per square inch, slightly quicker than the other settings. And tuck your chin down to your chest, back to centre. Absolutely nothing happens then. Fantastic, good. Push your face down into the couch and let go. Okay, can you feel like your legs have gone all loose?
Yeah.
Me too, yeah, good. Stretch your right hand towards your right knee and let go. And left hand to left knee and let go. That's just me checking the QLs, nothing going on there. So we just go a little bit further into the pelvis stuff. So we're going to look for internal, external rotation of the ilia. Actually just stressing that SI joint, effectively grabbing the knee and pushing up. And I'm deliberately pushing quite hard there, so I'm definitely contacting that SI joint. Absolutely nothing. Lift both hips up off the couch together and back down. And this is for superior, inferior sacrum. Nope. Keep the right leg straight and lift it up as far as it will comfortably go. And then back down. Just take a measure there. Now the other side. And back down, and hopefully everybody really clearly saw that there was a very obvious difference in the two. Right side felt a lot stiffer, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, onto the PSIs, come across to S2, up to S1, S3, and as lateral as I can get it from this angle on setting 4. Okay. So let's try that again. So we'll start with the left leg. So lift the left leg up as far as it will comfortably go, all the way up there, back down. Now try the other side, and back down. And hopefully, Becky, you were aware that that was different.
Yeah.
Fantastic, good. So that's just running through the basic scan and actually looking at a lateral SI joint adjustment. See you next time.